I'ma spit it, it's raw. I ain't do this before, but I'm here in the door. Like I settle for score, no, I settle for more. Like a hunger for raw. People beefing, they cheapin'. I just see some are weakest. I don't give a fuck about them, cause I don't rock with the leakers. I read nigga from the street, I know nigga with the heat. Nigga Chris came and got me, and he didn't put me on this beat. Now my swag is unique, niggas really can't compete. Nigga, I cop me a truck, fuck rockin' with a Jeep. Nigga, the street code, I'm beast mode, and fuckin' with them deep hoes. You niggas know us bottom boy, we come and go in beast mode. Some people might just get drove, but my swag is so cold. Right now I'm so throwed, it's tatted up in my soul. Right now I'm like ice cold, violent. Coming through is solid, never been no coward. Give me that, I'm wildin', I got money that's piling. Big dog, he with me, behind me he growling. Some people might touch me, other people be fouling. I don't give a fuck about them, cause niggas know I'm ballin'. Only thing I do is late night come through crawling. Sometimes I see fiends and chill and get to stalling. With rocks or some weed, some to do things to succeed. Anything I want to do, I do it by much, not by need. Some people come and then they flee. I ain't stunned, I'm just a G, but my swag is still low-key. But they street, they know me, cause MAC is coming. When I come, they get the running, while the others might get the frontin'. And some soups, I get the gunning. Got some motherfucking realers, some real known killers. Cause I rock with the fiends, the losers, the dealers. I pull a steel curtain like the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Holla, bring the beat back. Holla, bring the beat back. Man, where the freaks at? She step through the door and she be asking where the meat at. Yeah. I think she want a barbecue, better yet a drill. Well, bitch, I be ready, put my sausage on the grill. Now let me switch it up, I need her to be gone. Touchdown dance, I be moving like I'm Dion. I only drive fly shit, I ain't buying Dodge Neon. Nope. This time next year, I be riding European. Okay. I'm the big kahuna and your nigga is a peon. Yeah. I love good head, that I have a nigga lurking. Yeah. Call up your bitch just to see if she was slurping. Unzipped my pants, she said it looked like a Suburban. Damn. Went down hard and she had a nigga swerve. I love popping pussy, dog, I need to be a porn star. Nigga, get the camera, okay. I ain't no amateur. Yeah. I think she in love cause she bragging about my stamina. Lay down, put your legs up in my home. Put the tongue on it, vibrating like an iPhone. Yeah. I love college girl, man, them bitches is the bestest. Got a couple from Graham that like the rock dresses. Run driver beater and the other driver Lexus. Move or stop attention, I don't never catch her acting. All work, no play, that's what got a nigga stacked. If a nigga got a problem, speak up so I can slap him. If that don't do the job, I'ma grab him then smash him. Yeah. Message in my inbox, I wanna do a song with you. Nope. My answer was no, you a bitch like Pikachu. Plus I'm not cheap, I cost a lot like a tennis shoe. Nigga, what you looking at? Ooh, let me find out. Please don't stare, that'll make a nigga flash out. Yeah. Catch me on the road like a motherfucking trooper. Got two best friends, a Stewart and a Cooper. Okay. Try either one, I guarantee you I'ma shoot you. I heard through my homegirl, she say she wanna screw with me. Pull down the pants and let me see your booty cheek. Saw a big round ass standing right in front of me, so I ain't hesitate, I said you can fuck with me. See, I'm the game changer and I'm standing on my mojo. Put your pussy in my face and then give me a low blow. Big long dick, don't believe me, want a photo? Got a white bitch with a dog named Dodo. I ain't a dancer or a jigger, but I do the Harlem Shake though. Your bitch at my crib, yeah, I made the back the whip in. Now turn my TV on, I'm trying to watch ESPN.